Last day.
Saan tayo punta? Mushroom.
We're going to Lemon Pine.
Where I've been getting wild. Do it go side me that night.
At this point, naglilibot lang kami para maghanap ng masarap na lemon pie. Para may mauwi kaming pasalubong.
They say they're waiting for me.
At para tapusin ang aming Sagada trip, bago dumaan ng Banawe, nag-stop over muna kami sa sikat na inverted house or yung bahay na nakabaliktad.
Can see right through your step and your discount cigarettes.
Say hi.
We're in inverted house right now.
With a lots of
People.
tea.
Marami pa kaming stopover after nyan. Nang lilipot-lipot lang, nang titingin ng mga pasalubong, tapos ini-enjoy yung mga view.
So what you can say about Banawe so far?
Hindi pa tayo nakarating.
Sorry, my bad.
We didn't. We are not. Hindi pa natin na rin. Okay na ako. Staying racing. Ubi fling. Ano dito with Manalas?
Police? Anong taon nila, Prince?
Police.
Police ka lang.
It's giving the torta balong.
May strawberry rin tayo rito. Ma'am, ito rin try nyo rice wine.
Anong wine po?
Mangosteen po yan, sir.
Mangosteen.
Yes. Ito naman sir, rice wine.
Mangosteen?
Daming ano kasi nagawa. May maso po tayo.
Ano yung mangosteen masarap?
Parang
Mangosteen?
Very free.
natin sa ano.
Ay, ang alam ko.
Ito sir, try nyo yung rice wine naman.
Tamis.
Try mo rin yung rice wine.
Saboy.
Automatic na...
Layo ko na sa
Ang suka naman namin sir.
Saboy. Rice wine.
Ito sapo. The premium one or this one or this one?
Just this one.
Matamis siya pero
Yun nga yung sinasabi niya.
Okay na.
Sir, masabi mo sa wine?
Titipat na lang.
Kaya ko. Si Kokoy naman.
That's the type one. That's not.
Ito naman.
kasama ko pala yung ano ko.
Oh, hey, I'm so sorry. No, that's mine.
Brush out kami
No, the other one. Is there garbage? Okay. I didn't. I forgot. It's not
Mushroom.
Iman mo na ganyan.
Mushroom crackers.
Para kita natin sila na naman.
Ano pa sabi? Masarap?
Iba last niya tat.
Baka, ano ba, humingi ka pa ng discount. Pantay ng lupa.
Ate?
Caretaker.
If you wake up, don't wanna smile. If it takes just a little while.
Mountain hopping pala to.
Leave right away. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow.
Baka mapatid ka, ha?
Magda-dive kami ngayon.
Ate?
Boss, damit mo yan, boss?
Oo, nag-isampay lang. Yun yung bahay. Yun yung in namin.
Layo na narating mo, boss, ah.
Walking distance lang.
Wanna think about times to come. And not about the things that you've done. If your life was back to you, just think what tomorrow will do. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop, it'll soon be here. It'll be better than before. Yesterday's gone. Yesterday's gone.
At finally, nakarating na rin kami ng Banawe. Banawe Rice Terraces. Grabe, dati nakikita lang namin to sa mga libro or sa mga postcards. Tapos ngayon, andito na kami mismo.
You don't want me. Why'd you steal my heart? Cross the back country. No matter where you are. When the sun comes up, I'll be thinking of you. When the sun goes down, I'll be drinking for two. You love me a little, you lying there. You love me a little more than I love you all over again and again and again.
At dito na nagtapos ang biyahe namin sa Sagada. 3 araw ng mahabang biyahe, malamig na umaga, mga tahimik na bundok, at mga tanawin na mas higit pa sa inaasahan namin.
No, I don't deserve
Pero higit sa lahat, pitpit namin pa uwi yung mga kwento, mga tawanan, at mga alaalang alam naming babalik-balikan namin.